relax and restore sounds like exactly what we need to do.
It really
because
does.
I don't know about anybody else. It's like it's been a long month in January.
It's been a long month, and it's so
Hasn't
cold
it?
outside. I don't even go outside.
Exactly.
I want to
is
stay
so cold.
inside all day long.
Well, $29.98. Here's another sale price for you, so take advantage of that. 5 easy pays here at $6 will get it home. And what's always so lovely about this is you get a set of 2, and I'm talking about 2 in the 4-ounce beautiful bottles. Look at the crest on that diffuser. They're beautiful. 2 sets of the 8-inch reed sticks and 2 of the boxes as well. So 2 different rooms, and these last such a long time. I still have the original ones. I just moved them around.
Absolutely. Now, these are brand new, just like the candles were from the moment ago. I'm already seeing the nasty green tea out. I better not be. But I'm just saying to you, because it was crossed out, so if it's sold out, I'm going to cry. But all these scents are amazing. We're going to go through the scent. Well, I have a hanky. I have a hanky. But the thing is that all these are great. Each one lasts 6 to 9 months in your home. Look at how beautiful they are. So you're looking at them right now. Now you're over here. Look at that, the silver top, looking like sterling silver. My silver monogram on the front. All the oils inside. Every 8 to 10 days, you know what I tell you, take the reed diffuser sticks, turn them upside down the oil. I'm just going to show this to Pat. We just put this in probably 10 minutes before the show started. Do you smell them already coming up the sticks?
Oh, yeah.
These are so strong.
So good.
I'm telling you, you put it in your powder room or your bathroom, and you just shut the door, it's going to seep out underneath the door. That's what happens in my own home.
And you're not exaggerating with that.
Right? I'm not.
Not at all.
It's great. So let's go into scent now. Okay, so the first one, the Nasty Woods. So this one is Hawaiian Coal Woods. I just spoke about this one. Green cardamom, almond blossom, and sandalwood. Now, do you see the picture again on the box? Can you see that? Here we are, the yoga mats, the calm. You really
Look how pretty
are
the presentation is.
Yes, you're just saying to yourself, take me down, bring me down, calm me. And the essential oils in these are doing just that. Then we go to warm vanilla coconut. So hold on, I want, oh, see, you can already smell it coming up, Pat. You don't even have, that's been in 10 minutes already.
That
see,
smells so
this is the one you want if you want to put it anywhere in the house.
You need a vacation.
You need a vacation. This one inside of it, this one has, there it is, vanilla musk, coconut water, neroli blossom, sun-kissed sandalwood. I'm more about the mood than just the scents, but I want to give you the essential oil top notes that are in there, because we do top, middle, and bottom notes, like a fine fragrance. This one is the picture. You can smell first smell we smell is that warm vanilla, like your face is in the sun. Look at me closing my eyes, get me to Florida, like my face is in the sun. Then what you smell underneath it is that magical moment of the coconut water, the fresh island coconut coming out underneath it. It's calming, it's relaxing, but it's an escape moment. It truly, bathroom for sure. Shut the door, take a bath, have this in there.
Nice.
Your moment of calm. I just heard someone yell yes. Okay. Evening, okay, next one is Evening Tide. This one again, I bet it's already coming up. Oh my gosh, look at this, so strong. Look how strong that is coming up already. 10 minutes in there.
Ooh.
Yes, Evening Tide is that magical moment of being the seaside and watching the ocean come in and out. Look at Pat's eyes keep closing when she does it, because each one's taking her away. Seawater, verbena, bergamot, and green tea. You're getting a set of 2.
Lovely.
Now, don't think of this, and I'm going to be selfish here. We talked about holiday gift, gift, gift. I know we've got Valentine's Day coming up, gift, gift, gift. This is 2 separate rooms. Yeah. This is not really gift, because you're going to love these scents so much. These are brand new scents. You're going to want to say, okay, I'm putting one in my front hall when people start to arrive, or I'm putting one in the living room. So when I go in there and entertain, everyone who's with me is going to the Bahamas. Or, but there's definitely one going in your bedroom or bathroom. I have any one of these scents.
Harry, I don't know about anybody else, but I have the, not terribly, but the winter blues.
Right.
I'm sort of over it. I cannot wait for, and normally I'm not like that. It's just been so cold.
It's so odd you said that.
Right?
Laura and I were talking about this just yesterday, because we're both in New York. We've been here now for 3 weeks. And we're both in New York, and we both said to each other, what is it?
Yeah.
Why do we both feel tired?
Right.
Why do we both feel a little bit down?
It's been a long month of January.
And it's because who wants to go outside? It's freezing cold outside. It's not, the sun isn't even really what I call the sun, because you don't feel it on yourself. Yes, we're all feeling the same way.
You need this. You deserve this. It's $15 a piece. 5 easy pays at $6. You can find a $5 bill and a 1 or 4 quarters. That's for you. And then you'll get this home and you will have it. You'll think to yourself, there's still oil in there. And you'll just move them around from room to room.
Please message me on these new scents. I want to hear your thoughts on them. They are all to die for. Amazing.
Agreed.
Yes.
And named appropriately.
Named
Relax
appropriately, yes.
and restore.
Look at the picture.
All
Let's
right.
go to that beach right now, Pat. Right now, let's go.
I'll tell you.
Exactly.
All right, here's something that we're not going to have time to talk about, but we want you